Oop.
That's second. That's first. That's
Oh, right on.
yeah, that first gear's really low.
What is this, a Yamaha?
The Honda.
Or a Honda XR50R?
Yeah. It's 2003.
2003.
So it's what, 9 years old? Well, I could change the gas or just have to run it out. Turn that off. Oh, I think it'd be easy enough to train it. Let's go to the carburetor. Let's undo the little clippity-doo-dah that's on that side, and then bring the hose over here to a little bucket.
Yeah.
I think I'll do it.
Put some fresh gas.
Yeah, because it'll end up following that plug. And then let's go to the store and buy one. I probably should buy one anyway, right? A plug.
Yeah.
Never hurt.
You see, kids, never let your toys sit for a long time in the garage. Otherwise, you got to empty out your gas and put in some fresh stuff in there.
The grandpa does it, not the kids.
No.